Hey everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am going to be doing another Indian hair mask. This is my third time doing it this month. So I am going to be using the ashwagandha root powder as well as the brahmi powder. And I am mixing some flaxseed, which I am boiling now. It's pretty much finished. I just got to put it in my bullet blender and blend everything up, and I'll probably be using a little bit of yogurt. Now the gel-like consistency is pretty thick. If you see it, it's not too thick. But that's going to help when I mix all the Indian powders in there to become like a paste. I'm going to probably just use 1 scoop of that, the flaxseed. Then I'm going to get my brahmi powder. And you can really mix any of your Indian powders. I have about 4 or 5 different ones. And so it is very beneficial for your hair growth, for thickening your hair, strengthening your follicles, your hair follicles and strands in your scalp. So the powder is being a little stubborn. Blend it up really good. So you just open it up and get your little mixer, whatever you have, to break it up. I'm going to put the rest of my yogurt that I use. I do need to make it a point to go get some coconut milk in the can, because that is a lot more thicker than just buying it in the milk section. Okay, so I'm going to go wet my hair and then put that in and let it soak for about 20 minutes. Okay, and this can go on your scalp as well, so it doesn't matter if it goes on your scalp. It needs to go everywhere on your hair. The consistency is pretty smooth, and it does have enough moisture in it that it's not too thick where it doesn't. And if you have a little bit left, you could leave some in the refrigerator. You don't want to leave it out, because I tried to make a hair mask with something and it turned into a fuzz, started growing mold, because I had it under the cabinet and I thought it would be okay in a dry, cool place. All right, so, and that's what happened, but just a little bit, it's okay. Of a boost for your hair. Like I said, if you are trying to make your hair thicker, if you have really thin hair, I would do this consistently and make this part of your hair routine. Like I'm doing this twice a week. They were so nice. This was something I got for free because I was ordering from Temu so much. You get the free stuff. So I picked these towels, and I'm telling you, they're so soft. They're the best for your hair. I forgot to mention, you can use this too as face mask. I've used the leftover when I have it sometimes. And there we go. It's all in there really good. So I will be back in a little bit. Okay, and I just washed my hair with the silicone mix shampoo, Moroccan oil, sorry. And it does have keratin as well. And then I used a silicone mix mask with the same thing in there. And some of the benefits to flax seeds are, there's several, and the hair is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and it nourishes hair follicles, improves shine, and reduces frizz. It helps prevent breakage and split ends, and it also helps with strengthening the hair shaft. So there's a lot of numerous benefits to using flaxseed. Something a little funny, I let my dog sleep with one of those towels because it's so soft and he just loves it. And he gets everything on it, mud, well, dirt, not mud necessarily. But anyway, so I had it in the room, the washroom to time for washing. And I have my towel that I used a couple times. So I had to switch this because I think I used the one that he was sleeping in or on, but I don't know. Oh well, I mean, I rinsed my hair pretty good and everything after, but I did something else pretty funny as well. About a month ago, I do brush my dog's teeth, and I was so tired I had it next to mine, and I grabbed his toothbrush. Yeah, I picked up his toothbrush and brushed my teeth, and then I looked down for some reason, it was his toothbrush. So I was like, I know I love my dog, but oh my God. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. It does have a natural wave from the Indian powder. I love how it just makes my hair look so full, vibrant, and just voluptuous. Now it does make my ends look full as well. I don't really trim my hair. The last time I did a hair dusting was almost a year ago. So my hair tends to look a little thinner just because of that, and that's how your hair grows out. But this is just so nice, and it's so light, it's fluffy, and it feels so soft. And I did let my hair dry naturally. I did not use a blow dryer. And it seems like it just brings my curls in more when I do that. So let me know if you've tried any Indian hair mask, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy hair, anything to do with hair health. And I will be doing hair masks twice a week. I think I have 2 or 3 other videos about my hair mask and a little bit of information about what it does to your hair and for your hair, the benefits for it. Until next time, I hope you have a great night.